Good morning and welcome to Circle Time Kids Club. My name is Miss Porter and this is my friend Autumn. And we have two friends in the back behind us. That's Pete the cat, that's RJ and Lexi. Okay, let's start off with a song. I'm so glad to see you again, see you again, see you again. I'm so glad to see you again. Welcome to Circle Time. We're so glad to have you. Are you going to wave to them? Thank you, Autumn. Very good. We are so glad you're here today. Now, we're going to sing some songs. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O, with a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here quack, there quack, everywhere quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some what, Autumn? Cows? Let's do cows. E-I-E-I-O, with a moo moo here and a moo moo there, here moo, there moo, everywhere moo moo, a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Yeah, what else did he have? He had some chickens, and on his farm he had some chickens, E-I-E-I-O, with a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck, quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, a moo moo here and a moo moo there, here moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Yeah, old MacDonald, he had a lot of animals on that farm, didn't he? So now, let's sing another song. You want to sing another song? What you want to sing? Let's sing about raindrops. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain it would be. Standing aside with my mouth open wide, saying, ah, 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 ah. If all the snowflakes was lemon drops and cupcakes, oh, what a snow it would be. Standing aside with my mouth open wide, saying, ah, 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 ah. Wow. Would we really like it to rain those things, huh, Autumn? Yes. Okay. We have one more song. On top of spaghetti, all covered with cheese. I lost my poor meatball when somebody sneezed. Achoo! It rolled off the table and onto the floor. And then my poor meatball rolled out of the door. Achoo! So if you like spaghetti all covered with cheese, then hold on your meatball and don't ever sneeze. Achoo! Good, Autumn. You covered your nose. Very good. And I hope you cover your nose when you sneeze too. Good job. Give yourselves a hand. Pat yourself on the shoulder. Good job. Okay, let's get counting with some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's count the same numbers in Spanish. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez. Yay! We're going to count our numbers again, but we're going to do a little bit slower now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. You did an excellent job counting your numbers from 1 to 10 and counting them in Spanish. Yes. Very good too, Autumn. You did an excellent job too. Let's pat ourselves on the shoulder. Good job. All right. How's RJ and Lexi doing? And you too, Pete. I'm so proud of you too as well. And I'm proud of you as well. All right. Let's say our 5 senses. Okay, Autumn, you ready? Are you ready? I can see with my eyes. I can smell with my nose. I can hear with my ears. I can taste with my tongue. And I can touch with my hands. Alla walla do do do. Oh yeah. Alla walla do do do. Oh yeah. I love you. We love you. Good job. You all did such a good job. Okay, now let's do our days of the week. 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 This Sunday and this Monday. This Tuesday and this Wednesday. This Thursday and this Friday. And then this Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Now, let's say the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good. Yay. Pat yourself on the shoulder. Say, good job. We're going to do our months of the year. Yeah, your pants are doing well, Autumn. Autumn is concerned about her pants, but they're doing fine. And you're doing a good job as well. Okay, let's say the months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Yay! Good job. We're going to do a poem. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder where you are. Very good. Good job, Autumn. We're going to do our letter of the day. And our letter of the day starts with a B. Can you make the sound for B? B, B. And I have some fresh blueberries. Ooh, Autumn, you want a blueberry? Okay. And I'm going to take one too. Now these are blueberries. These are very good for your skin, and they also give you energy. So it's very good to eat a blueberry. I'm gonna eat mine. Did you want to eat yours? Okay, Autumn's eating on hers. It tastes kind of tangy. You want to save it for later, or you want to taste it? Let's see if Autumn's going to. Well, she is biting. Is it sour? It's kind of sour, isn't it? Okay. I think Autumn likes it. She's eating it. She's tasting it. She ate it all. Good job, Autumn. Okay, put your mask back on. Very good, Autumn. I hope that you can taste some blueberries too. But right now, is it all good? There you go. We're going to write the letter B. B for blueberry. Okay. Now remember, I just want you to try. And what do we not write on, Pete and Lexi and RJ? We don't write on the walls. We always write on paper. So always ask someone older than you to give you a piece of paper to write on. And you can use a crayon. You can use a pencil. And I prefer crayons or pencils because they're easy to maneuver. But if you have a marker, you can use a marker as well. Okay? Now let's get started. First, we're going to start at the top and go all the way down. And then we're going to make a half a circle and another half a circle. That's the letter B. Okay, let's do it again. Start at the top, go all the way down, and make a half a circle and another half a circle. This is the letter B. Let's do it again. Start at the top, go all the way down. You're going to make a half a circle and another half a circle. B. Now B can start with a lot of words. B for boys, B for bat, B for bees. B can start with a lot of, B starts with a lot of words. Okay, now we're going to erase these B's, and I want you to practice with me. But we're going to start off with some lines. Remember I was telling you about the lines on the letter A? You can start at the top, make a short one. These are short lines. Stop. You can make medium-sized ones. Start at the top, go all the way down. And also remember, use your pinchers, your thumb and your finger when you're holding your pencil or crayon. Okay, start at the top, go all the way down. That's a medium-sized line. And then you can make a long line if you want to. You can go start at the top, go all the way down. Start at the top and go all the way down if you want to make long, long lines. Top all the way down. Now, I know within my time frame that we're sharing together that you're not going to learn it this quickly, but you have to practice, practice, practice. And the more you practice, the better and the easier your letters will be to write. So make sure you practice. All right, let's do another B. We're going to start with the B. This is the mama B. Start at the top, go all the way down. And let's do a half a circle and another half a circle. See? Let's make a baby bee. And you go at your pace. You know, take your time, but I want you to go back and always practice. Now, baby bee is a little more simpler. Start at the top, go all the way down, and just do one half a circle. That's a baby bee. Okay, let's do another one. Start at the top, go all the way down, and do one half a circle. See? And it doesn't have to be perfect, just as long as you try. Okay? So, those are the letters B. Let's do some more practicing. We're just going to practice writing our lines because the more you get comfortable writing your lines, the easier it will be to make your letters. Okay? Start at the top, go down. Start at the top, go down. See, we're just making lines. That's a medium-sized line. Let's make some long ones. Start at the top, go all the way down. Start at the top. That's a medium-sized one. And if you want to do short ones, short lines, start at the top, stop. Start at the top, stop. Good job. I am so glad that you shared time with us. And I am so glad that you came and practiced with us as well. And remember, you are so smart. You can do it. Autumn, tell them, say, you can do it. Point to the camera, say, you can do it. Okay. Now, you have a great, great day. Know that you are loved. And here's a hug. Hug, Autumn. From us to you. Thank you for joining Circle Time Kids Club. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Autumn.